Hi everybody, Lori, GLP-1 Journey in Review. Today we're going to talk about factor meals. My factor meals just came today. And honestly, we've had them before and we really liked them. They've extended my hours at work, so rather than come home, literally eat and go to bed, I'm just going to bring one of these with me on my late days and pop it in the microwave for, it's usually between 2 to 3 minutes. And eat at work, and my wife will probably have the same thing but eat it here. I know it's not really eating together, but it's the best we could do when I work late. So I'm going to unbox this and show you some of the meals. They come once a week and they're good in the refrigerator for 7 days or so. I think I've had them 8-9 days depending on what they are. I try to eat ones that have fish a little bit sooner. So they're very well packed. Nice pack. And you could reuse these, clean and dry. And the film itself is recyclable. And the first meal that we have is roasted garlic chicken with pan gravy, chive sour cream mashed potatoes, and garlic green beans. Calorie count is 440 for the tray. 28 grams of carbs, which is 10%, 5 grams of fiber, 6 grams of sugar with no added sugar, and 14 grams of protein. It's a little bit hard for you to see what it looks like. I'll probably do a quick pictures of when they are cooked. Again, we've had these before and they're pretty good. Let's see what else we have here. Same thing. The next meal we have, and they say that they're chef crafted, dietitian approved. This is Parmesan and garlic cream shredded beef with herb potatoes and buttered broccoli. This one's 510 calories. It is 5 grams of fiber, no added sugar, but 7 grams of sugar. 14 grams of fat, so this one's a little bit higher in fat, and 30 grams of protein. This one is white cheddar chicken and broccoli grits with roasted green beans, sliced almonds, and chili garlic pepper. This one is 660 calories, 16 grams of carbs, 7 grams of sugar, no added sugar, and 39 grams of protein. Smoked Gouda and bacon shredded chicken hash with roasted green beans and pearl onions. This one's 530 calories. And it is 39 grams of carbs, which is 14%, 7 grams of fiber, 9 grams of sugar, and there is 1 gram of added sugar. And protein again is 32 grams. And this is the same thing. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4 nights of meals. I know I'm working till like 8 o'clock 3 of the nights. The other night I'm not sure, so I got one just in case. If any of you have tried Factor meals, let me know in the contest. I'm sorry, let me know in the comments. And for today's contest, we're going to subscribe, like, and comment the word umbrella or the emoji umbrella. And I say that because it is sunny now, but I have a CPR class. By the time I get out of the CPR class, it may be raining here. It did look a little cloudy. So I'll try to get you some pictures of the meals when they're done. And this is this week's Factor. I order between 3 days and 4 days depending on my work schedule, and that changes because what can I say, I'm a workaholic and I like overtime. So we'll see. That's it for today's video. Have a great day. This is Parmesan garlic cream shredded beef with potatoes and broccoli. Roasted garlic chicken with pan gravy, chive sour cream mashed potatoes, and green beans. This is white cheddar chicken, broccoli and grits. So this is the smoked Gouda bacon shredded chicken hash. This is what it looks like, 2.5 minutes in the microwave.